Good afternoon, student. Today we will discuss about the pharmacophore modeling. So, before we discuss about the pharmacophore modeling, we have to know about what is the pharmacophore modeling, or we have to know about what is the basic moiety that is pharmacophore. So, the definition of pharmacophore is the schematic representation of natural bioactive functional group along with their interatomic extents, known as pharmacophore. All the definition of pharmacophore included a part of molecular structure that is responsible for a particular biological or pharmacological interaction that undergoes to final changes or pharmacological activities. That is called pharmacophore. Second, we have to know about what is pharmacophore modeling. So, technique used to identify through de novo design or virtual screening or novel ligand that will bind to the same receptor. This technique is known as pharmacophore modeling, or we can say that it describes how structurally diverse ligand can bind to a common receptor site. In simple language, we can say that there is a how ligand bind to a receptor site is called pharmacophore modeling technique or pharmacophore modeling. Appropriate definition of pharmacophore model is the ensemble of common steric and electronic features that are necessary to ensure the optimal molecular interactions with a specific biological target and to trigger its biological response. Example, we contain here morphine. Morphine is a pharmacophore based drug that have aromatic ring N-methyl group, that is amine. The main pharmacophore in morphine is this group that is responsible for the activity. Then the application of pharmacophore modeling. The pharmacophore based drug design is useful in discovery and development of drugs of belonging to various categories like anti-Alzheimer agents, anti-diabetic, or many more anti-dyslipidemic agents.